think this program helps us make real world connections and like helps us networking. So when we do get out, we have someone we can talk to.
Building more skills with working with other people.
A boost in help, like encouragement and boosting our confidence.
It's expressing me more as a person and letting me let out the things that I can't particularly say.
Especially being a black artist in this industry, it can be very tough. And I think it's a really important time to be able to speak on who you are and speak from the heart, and I think music definitely allows you to do that. And basically Carclew has sent out a bunch of producers, artists, in the industry, and we get to work firsthand with upcoming singers.
As a music teacher, we do performances all the time, so the students really do get an authentic experience of that, whereas the back end of that, back end of the creative industries, is definitely something that's less visible in education.
It's just been really good to be able to be a part of their journey and to give off that, that learning that I didn't have when I was, in school.
I could come to him with ideas, motifs, tonality and a vibe, and kind of we could build upon that.
The huge benefit from all this is students, again, being able to find their own voice. Yeah, just isn't possible in the classroom a lot of the time.
But to be honest, the music industry is more and more about young kids. It puts, I think, Adelaide in a place where we can actually compete with the rest of the world, because that is the age of artists these days who are releasing like proper big releases.
Being able to come into schools and work with such young children who already have such, amazing minds, and they know where they want to go. So we're kind of, allowing them to jump on that pathway. And I think, it's just really crucial right now to be able to make sure that our youth and our kids are in the right places, saying the right things and standing up for what they're believing in whatever means that they do. But, for us, it's music.